Do you want to know how you can call Netflix customer service? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can call Netflix customer service and complain about your orders or anything if you are misinformed or don't know anything about Netflix. So, go ahead and open Netflix, which is on your phone, and then tap on your profile. Now, tap on your profile again, which you can see on the bottom right-hand corner, and then tap on the three lines. Tap on Help, and you can see the call option. This is the Contact Netflix customer service option, and they will connect the call for free using your internet connection. So, go ahead and tap Call, and then tap Call Now. Go ahead and allow Netflix to record audio, and then click Allow again. This way, you can see that you have connected to Netflix support. Soon, someone will accept your call, and then you can solve your queries. It's quite easy, guys. Let me show it to you once again. Tap on your profile, and then tap on the three lines, and go to Help. Now, click on Call, which you can see on the bottom of your screen. After tapping Call, tap on Call Now, and then you can see Customer Support, Call Netflix. Hope this video about how you can call Netflix customer service was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.